Enti we yara ho sem kese a esi e wo Nigeria montene so yan say Ghana ni ababawa oye adwuma o Ghana embassy in Nigeria. Oye one of the high commissioners a ogina mu ema Ghana e wo Nigeria montene so. Awidifo bi akoto ahye ne so agi Madam Freda Arnong ekra every nsem e wo Abuja state montene so. Na in this video no ye benya brani atwe ho komo ne Abuja say e da ekra na ekun le die ye be kire kire ni ahwe say does it have any connection with the ongoing saga of Igbo king in Ghana? Any no connection be and I say any no connection be I have Penyah media. Let's say any demo over like video no other one subscribe button somebody click on Facebook and latest update. Now better why join their mama or comment section. Let's also baswa. Watch the video for so any be ahwe. Etiba kaya on 1st July 2025 here anybody needs to say Ghana ni ababawa is a Freda Arnong our year Ghana embassy in Nigeria, one of the high commissioners. Awidifo bi akidnap no I say sika pa omo pese omoje ne brother ansa na omoja eye Freda no 10 million choppable Nigerian naira. Omoje 10 million Nigerian naira. At that time no ono aga sika eni no ho. Oni physical cash on her and na on say any sika e wo the phone so do anya mane de. Omo molestin no I say omo treat no bad. Eden chinchin kro ni mu a na later omo ko no eto baby. I say omo eja na omo ko. Ebusia lady ya je say omo kidnap no say eja no enu achi. Abani sinu say awidifo bi so akwato a lady so ekono. I say post ne brother and I did this particular news ebaye. On the 8th July 2025 exactly 12:31 a.m. And ne brother your friend Anon Titus eba Facebook or make a post and try say Otagi Freda Arnong, I am certain you are in heaven. You are a true Christian. You serve God with all your heart. Your kind heart was pure without blemish. Fred, just like I call you, I miss you, and I know you'll be watching over us too. Mama is so heartbroken right now. I pray the Holy Spirit will comfort her for me. I am trying my best, sis. Agent Brother Arnold Titus Ebeke this post exactly 12:31 a.m. on the 8th July. News reading can break it out in honor at the by. Later, another other brother back, friend Arnold Arnong. Arnold Arnong, SOB also be children, although not go into details. And according to my brother Arnold Arnong, no, a quite way Anna Freda Efaso Ewuye. On July 1st, 2025, my sister, Freda Arnong, closed from her house fellowship near the CBN Institute, my Tama, Abuja. She lived on Pope John Paul Street and, like any normal evening, boarded a taxi around 7 p.m. along the Trascon Hilton Road, unaware that it was a one-chance vehicle. There's a term said, or the kidnapping, no, it didn't happen on the 1st of July 2025, as it happened, and at 7 p.m. According to Freda, the moment she entered, she was blindfolded and viciously beaten. They say, or that 7 p.m. or or any coffee children and said bone while viciously beaten. They demanded access to her phone and ordered her to open her bank app. Freda was not a technology enthusiast. She preferred handling her banking in person. She had also misplaced her ATM card 2 weeks earlier and had not replaced it. There's almost a phone, lock, ABS, okay, bank account on the phone. So I say, on send this come on, that's what they're going to sabi technology some there or technology I say oh but when money dey be enti no say you create bank account or phone so they got an ATM card and echo but but unfortunately for her no 2 weeks ni ontimi enya bre enko twa card no for frustrated that they couldn't access her money. The attackers intensified their assault. She even suggested calling her boss to transfer the 10 million they demanded, but they refused. Instead, they threatened to mutilate her and sell her body parts. Emonga so one day here say we need sika no ho dey na ye bekun na twitwa body parts ndi akwakoton. Go say Nigeria dey anu asi ye ntonton papa si sika dey e koso for Nigeria ha ite dey ye bekun na twitwa lipa akwa no ho no makwa no na na akwakoton e dey wo ankasa akwaji sika. They drove her around the city for hours, brutalizing her until they finally threw her out of their vehicle around 11 p.m. near the Moshood Abiola Stadium. This is how ne kidnapping issue happened on the 1st July 2025. Kidnap no around 7 p.m. in the night. And then the omo detain no molesting no bully na to 11 p.m. And omkojan eto Moshood Abiola studio and omkojano eto honomo. Abandoned and broken, she tried to stop passing vehicles for help, but no one would stop. There's a she or try set or down a wire no na ne hu moja nyina esa or homeko is no or try to stop cars and who will be but na dia want so eho na baby na uni ada no no para say eho e dro bia be say obegina na obefa nko so onim abiola uni mo shoot abiola say the area eho pa na jo eho e je no obi esu say na obegina na of go bi say kwa we ye comfort and then no omo plan obecha o penfo abeda kwa ho ugina wo ka benze film aba ba yero to be esu. It was a local vigilante who eventually rescued her and rushed her to National Hospital, Abuja. Scans and X-ray revealed multiple broken posterior ribs, lung lacerations, kidney damage, internal bleeding, and injuries to her eyes and heart. There's a Obuga hospital call you scan any X-ray that no there. There's a lady in there. Aunt me any baby because ne ribs ne mfen kase no bubu na herawa no wonya issue ho ni kidney wonya problem ewo ho internal bleeding se moja so anyin agunu mu nani wonya problem with nani and na koma so kra no yes a minim pokura go visible no minim how visible no na koma class no was a issue. Hey, despite every effort, my sister passed away at 3 a.m. on Sunday, 7th July 2025. Eti prior to kidnap no any omno hospital adi nyina no went me and survival. Emma 7th July 2025 no. And I say, my sister no. Atwa na nanom ewa ensaid. Anyway, I said, what crime did Freda Arnong commit? Her only crime was living in a beautiful city, plagued by a broken system. How long will we keep losing innocent lives to the one chance criminal syndicate? Where will public transportation be safe for everyone? Where will our leaders prioritize technology-driven transport safety? We must demand a driver or vehicle authentication system where commuters can verify the identity and registration of commercial vehicles and their drivers in real time before boarding. Freda cannot die in vain. Her killers must be found and prosecuted. There are countless families silently grieving loved ones lost to the same fate, abandoned by a system that failed to protect them. Let's say, my brother, any Abuja, or seeking for justice for my sister, Freda Arnong, our High Commissioner for Ghana in Nigeria. And Abuja said the lady Ewono Esi Aba. Here's the case. Kidnappers are kidnapping. Almost here an amount of 10 million naira. Also, for the second, I'm just a kidnapper, a kidnapper. There's always getting who you're free. Your friend are threatened, move first. But here's the case here. Anybody's a cannon or friend the boss, and not all free. No more than 10 million Abba. Almost here. Omu here so be free fee. Name no. Ombe kuno educate pass. Na omo akoton. Ede ajiska. It tells me something say. No, they didn't go for money. Enye sikanti. They just went there to kill this particular lady. They just went there to kill her. And they just went there to kill her. Because there's a car. Kidnappers, ma kidnap you. Also, okay, me or family. Let me make a call. Na me nkwaje adequate me mfre do mo fasi kalema 10 million naira mu hia o mo famra mo se da eni bi twitwa woni petua na yakoto e de achiska. To me there are more to it than say the here ye ka ehwase. But for now there, please for a career investigation into this issue. Now prior to this issue, one of the governors of the states in Nigeria, Abedin Kuma Afa, Igbo former Nigeria crown. The omu ye wo Nigeria say kunkuna we dia omu edi ohonum. Obedin Kuma Afa.
Well, I've been in office for 3 years and 3 months, okay? If we have arrested 100 criminals, non-mafia, kidnappers, and so on and so forth. 99.99% of them were Igbo. Did you hear me right? I said 99.99% of them were Igbo. So these things are made because that was part of the lie that was put in propaganda. They are into kidnapping because it is the next lucrative business after Yahoo and drug. The next one for find disabled kidnapping. Omaka. And they say even other states. If an appointment we do all Anambra. Onye nke na village fa ogote motorcycle me ajoa kelifa na abia ka etinye na line akwale ya bai mafia mama how to if ejide also on the Fulani. Let me I repeat, I want you to quote me right. 99.99% of all the criminals, kidnappers and so on that were arrested so far Igbos are the ones kidnapping Igbos. They are the ones killing Igbos. All these camps. And by the way, because I came with the same false narrative. The false narrative, oh, the Fulanis, they are invading our people. They are now everywhere. They are waiting for whistle to be blown. And this, and they will take over. And therefore, we are the ones who are the liberators. We are now going into the bush to go to chase out the Fulanis. Nobody asked the question. They are now banning mafia to go and liberate you. How do they feed 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year? How do they feed? How do they feed? So that you see, like I said, I'm one of you, but I decided to go home. Actually, in '99, I was a visiting professor at Swarthmore College. Okay? And I remember the last conversation of Ghanaian standing forth, because from there I moved down here to DC, to the World Bank, where I spent 18 months. I was just leaving and they were having a set forth party. And I remember the chairman of the department wishing that I could spend maybe a much longer time. My response was, a friend there called me several years to say how my response touched him, a white man. Asked me if God in his infinite wisdom decided in Africa, there must be a purpose. And I couldn't fulfill that purpose in this land. Here, that my marginal contribution to American civilization is next to 0.something%. But my marginal contribution to the advancement of civilization in Africa will be, you see how your presence elevates the quality of discussion and decisions, and so on. And tomorrow, one of the meetings in that project, when I left Swarthmore to the World Bank, I was a long-term consultant, and we produced a book published by the World Bank in 2000 entitled Can Africa Claim the 21st Century?
After Nigeria for more China, or once at the air course, who may have China for Omutu
in another man's land. Yes. You bought ticket, you got visa. All you are doing in China is fighting and causing nuisance. Who are you?
Terrorizing the people.
Do you know that Nigerian community has the ability to write and then say that we don't want you in China again as a community, and it must be obeyed? Sure. Yes. You go back to Nigeria. So conduct yourself very well. Do your business very well. Every business idea you see on earth today comes from a single individual. You see banks, you see aircraft, you see so many things. But for our own, we'll be drinking ourselves to stupor. You wouldn't even have the time to think and then do a business. All you have to do is fighting from one street to the other, destroying the image of your family and that of Nigeria. You are here as a good ambassador of your family and that of your country.
Power.
We make ourselves animals here because of the way we live. Let me ask this question. How many times have you seen Chinese fighting in the streets of Lagos? Do you see that? Do you think we are the only foreigners living here? There are Arabs here. There are Japanese here. There are Europeans, Americans, South Americans, Russians. They are here. But they are not behaving the way we do. Please, and please, let us conduct ourselves very well.
Nigeria for no. As at if you are seeing the Ekoso, Nigeria, very careful. Ubet Bachelor, I'm a comment section. I